So now we're going to wrap the basket with cellophane. I cut the cellophane about 2.5 times the size of the basket. You'll see it's a little bit doubled over. I always prefer to have a little bit too much than a little bit too little, because it's just easier to work with it that way. I'm going to take the cellophane, and basically we need to center the cellophane, center the basket in the middle of the cellophane, okay? And then we're going to pick the cellophane up on both sides, try to make sure that it's pretty much centered, okay? And then we're going to take some tape, and the first thing to do is to secure the sides. Okay, it's okay if the cellophane falls a little bit, that's normal. We're going to secure one side of the basket first. Then we're going to go over to secure the second side of the basket. Again, we're going to try to pick it up, make sure that it's really straight in the front. And then we're going to take our tape and secure it on the other side. Okay, now we have on either side of the basket, while we secure it, we also want to make sure that the organza hasn't gone up. And if it does, we just take it and push it back down a little bit. Okay.